Hi guys, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is Biko Supreme. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my Biko Supreme: purple glutinous rice, coconut milk, brown sugar, and coconut strips. Now let's prepare the rice. Okay guys, now we put the rice in a rice cooker. It takes about an hour to cook because purple rice is a lot harder than white. After an hour guys, the rice is now ready. Let's have a look. Wow, that looks nice. Keep stirring. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. This is ready. You lower the heat, okay guys? Very important you lower the heat because we don't want it burn. And you can add the cooked rice, okay, to it. The whole thing. Then stir it. Very important to stir it, guys. Mix it all up. Make sure all combined. Guys, that's so important in this process. Because you want that caramelized get into the rice. Mix it up. Make that rice really, really nice and sweet. I think we've done all the mixing, so we can do that. And then cover and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, this is ready after 3 minutes. That's it. Perfect guys. Guys, 10 minutes now for the toppings. And this is what it looks like. Look, really nice and sweet. Then I'm gonna add the lettuce. I'm gonna add the strips. Here you go guys. And give it a stir for a minute. There is another minute for that stirring like that. Just wanna get that sauce left. And that's it, that's done. Ta-da! Oh wow, that's it. You have to spread it nicely guys. you guys is the little bit extra that makes the big difference, and this has it. Try it. Cheers! I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, if you fancy a giggle and you want to see me jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool, click here. And if you want to see a preview of my cooking, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.